So welcome back to Grandpa Explains stuff you've never probably even been interested about. So I'm gonna go downstairs. So I went and got some yogurt. My mum and dad are leaving for I'm not really sure where they were going, but yeah, I got myself some yogurt. That's good, I guess. Back to the subject on hand. It's back on track. The train track. Just like I wish. Today I'm going to be reviewing or explaining some stuff that's in no way relevant to you. But I guess you'll learn something. So today I'll be talking about film cameras. So basically the principle of a camera is that there's a roll of film inside the camera. This thing. Inside of it, there's this brown stuff. When it's hit by light, the color of the film changes to match that light. So basically, it saves the image. And that's why it's in this. It's in it. The camera has this thing inside of it. It's actually inside of it. The camera on the outside has this thing, which is a lens. So it's not a lens, it has many lenses, but it's called a lens. Which has multiple actual lenses, which take some light and refract it through themselves, so that they land nicely on a square, basically. So the lens provides possibility for itself to be focused, so you can spin it around and like this, like you can spin the ring around, and it changes the placements of the things inside. So when I pressed the button, it did open, didn't it? Yeah, I guess. Oh, it opened for a fucking long time. So when I press the button, it opens, and then if this was an actual situation, there would be film behind there, and the film would receive light for exactly the amount that the camera feels it needs, or that you feel it needs. You can put it on manual, and then after it's done that, it closes, and then you pull the lever, and it makes the mirror go. It like loads a spring in there, and then fuck. Oh Jesus Christ! Oh, my mic's fucking falling apart. I'll actually go check if my camera's still going. Hello again. Hi. So where we left off, the camera. It closes the shutter, and then after it opens, you sort of reload it by pushing this spring, and then you can do it all over again with a new piece of film that it pushes in front of it. And then how this works with a digital camera is that instead of film, there's a sensor that reads light coming into it and then transforms that into electricity, and something transforms that signal into some numbers, and then those numbers get transformed into an image, and that's about it. And thanks for watching, everybody, and don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe, and leave me a 5-star rating, because this is 2006.